Welcome to episode 3 of Custom Agents. Today we are making this, a Luke Skywalker robotic hand prop. First you want to draw out what you want to make. Here we are starting with the index finger on Luke's hand. We're going to make this out of a latex glove, craft foam, glue, paints, and polishes. The first thing you're going to have to do is trace your hand to begin to make a template. You want to make sure all the pieces fit correctly. Draw out each piece you're going to want to add to your glove and then cut them out with an X-Acto knife. You can place the pieces on your hand to get an idea of where they are going to go. We suggest cutting the fingers off a pair of gloves to use for your custom hand. It's easier to slide the individual fingers on instead of trying to build the hand all as one piece, and it's more durable. Cut out pieces of crafting foam to use to attach to the glove. Use the templates you made earlier and trace them with an X-Acto knife. This will ensure your pieces fit your hand properly. We're getting ready to glue our foam to the glove, but we need to heat it up a bit to mold it. A hairdryer will work if you don't have a heat gun. Now it's time to design the fingers. We add a little super glue to the glove and then individually add each foam piece. Dozens, if not hundreds of pieces of foam will be added to this. Be patient and make it as interesting as possible. You can see here we use the smaller pieces of foam as screws. Every detail counts. We're making a replica, but we're inserting a little bit of our own flair. This finger is complete. See how it bends? Repeat those steps for the next fingers and thumb. Move on to the back side of the hand. Trace out the templates again to make foam cutouts and glue them to the glove. We are going to use some old cell phone cords to create the wires inside the robotic hand. You want to add glue to these and add the fasteners that attach the wires to the glove. Remember, every detail matters. You want to fit them before you glue them. You'll also want to glue them in place. An extra coat or two won't hurt. We suggest you try the glove on carefully to make sure everything is where you want it. Cut out and warm up the foam for the palm side of Luke's hand. As you wear the glove, firmly glue the foam cutout to the palm of your hand. Continue to add glue to the sections you are going to add foam to. Here we add these to help with the detail near the side of the glove. We also glue and add pieces to the base of the glove. This is what the glove looks like so far. Just a little while ago this was just a latex glove. We still have to paint it and add the polish. The next steps, we recommend you do it outside. You're going to want to spray paint the entire glove with black paint. The paint will stiffen the glove. Now it's time for some brush tools. You're going to want to darken the sections of the glove to add contrast so it looks lifelike. Paint in the glove to make it look as if the metal is floating. Again, the more paint you use, the stiffer the rubber will become. Take your time doing this. Patience is key. Now we're going to work on a lifelike shine to make it look weathered. Dip your paintbrush in the paint and wipe it off on a towel. Lightly coat the edges and wherever you think the metal would be breaking through. This helps get a realistic metal look. If you just paint the whole thing black, it won't look real. Add some shoe polish. It helps a lot with aging the piece, making it look used. It also gives it an oily look in the corners. Here you can see the difference before and after adding the polish. It really gives it that used look. Continue this process over the whole glove. No time to rush. You want to paint it and dab it away, leaving behind just a little paint. Not that long ago, this was a latex glove. These steps really help pick up the detail. Anything you want to improve, you can repeat these steps until you get what you want. You want it to dry thoroughly before adding on the fingers. Here it is, a Luke Skywalker robotic hand, made with a latex glove by INDO Joe 710. This was episode 3 of Custom Agents. Make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, like, share, and comment. May the Force be with you.